Welcome. If you're facing login issues with the Telegram app on your PC after the latest update, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to help fix the problem and get you back into your account in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, try closing the app and reopening it. Sometimes a simple restart of the app can resolve any small glitches or issues. Just close Telegram completely, wait a few seconds, and open it back up. Once it reloads, try logging in again and see if that fixes the problem. If that doesn't work, double-check your username and password. Make sure you're entering the correct details, especially if you're using a complex password. It's easy to make a typo, so take a moment to verify both your username and password. If you're unsure, you can always reset your password using the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Next, try restarting your PC. Sometimes, a quick reboot can help clear up any issues that might be preventing the app from working properly. To restart your device, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click the power icon. Choose Shutdown and wait for about 30 seconds. After that, press the power button to turn your PC back on. Once it's back up, try logging into Telegram again. If you're still having trouble, it could be a network issue. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Go to the notifications area at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the network icon. From there, select a different network and try logging in again. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, slow or unstable connections can cause login issues. Click on the network icon again and check that you're connected to a reliable network. If your connection seems weak, try restarting your router or switching to a different network. If none of these steps work, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the Telegram app. To uninstall, press the Windows icon, type Uninstall Apps in the search bar, and open it. Find Telegram in the list. Click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation and wait for it to complete. Once it's uninstalled, press the Windows icon again, search for Microsoft Store, and open it. In the search bar, type Telegram and click on Install. Once the app is reinstalled, open it again and check if the login problem has been resolved. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the Telegram login problem on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.